you guys, I am recreating this particular monostrap blouse for my clients, but then I just want to show you in this video how to join a perfect 720-degree flare so that it does not have any form of line in the middle. Rather, the lines will go to the sides. Okay, now I'm going to digress a little. Let's take a moment to appreciate this my bustier. Can you see the way it's standing? This bustier is cupping, and in this era you don't know how to draft out a perfect bustier, then you need an upgrade with us because we are accepting students. Come register with us. Let's hold your hands and make your fashion dreams come to reality. Okay, so I'll be joining this flare to the waist of the upper bodice. Now you all know that for you to have a 720-degree peplum, you need 360 times 2. So this is my full circle times 2. I'd already cut it out, and you can see I interfaced it with a fusible interfacing. So now for me to have that particular effect, I'm going to fold one of these full circle into 2, and then I'm going to slit. Can you see what I'm doing? After slitting one part, I'm going to repeat the same thing to the other side, and then I'll keep it aside. This means that I have 2 pieces for this. Okay, now I'm going to bring the other circle and I'm equally going to fold it into 2. All right, so this is the other circle. I'll go ahead and fold it into 2, but this time around I'm going to slit just one side of it. Okay, now you can see I'm trying to slit, and then after that, this is what I have. All right, so here is what you're going to do. You're going to bring one of the 2 pieces, and then you're going to fix it to this one piece. Can you see? And then you're going to bring the other side and then fix it to this side. Now I'll move over to the sewing machine and stitch with just 1/2 inch. Repeat the same thing for the lining piece. Now to this my lining piece, I had already done it offline. Okay, so the exact same thing I have for the actual fabric is what I have on the lining piece. So I will go join it, and after that I will show you guys what I have. So this is what it looks like. So you guys, you can see this is a perfect 720-degree peplum flare, and you can see that the joining is right by the side without having any join in the middle. So repeat the exact same thing for the lining. Here is where I'll be put into the zipper allowance, and this is the center. Okay, now go ahead and bring in your lining. Can you see? So my lining is also sewn the same way. Okay, so I'm going to go turn the hemline of this my lining with the actual fabric. I am done doing that, and this is what I have, you guys. So I'll now go over to the sewing machine and then fix it to the base of my blouse. Can you see? So this is what I have. This is how to join a perfect 720-degree flare so it does not have a line in the middle. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.